Hello students, in this session we'll see the difference between private access modifier and protected access modifier. What is private and protected and also public? So these are the access modifiers. What does this mean? Accessing means to use something. So how can you use the things in a class? It's about that only. I mean, if you have a variables, if you have functions, then how it can be accessed. Let us begin with the public access modifier first. If you have made any variable or any function public, which we normally define, like this, let me show you this also. Or in any program, you might be like this public static void main, or if you are writing something like class one, anything like public sum. Suppose we are making this function. We have a specified public. This public simply means that it can be accessed by anybody. Means it can be easily accessed in other class also anywhere. This is public, can be accessed easily. It's public material. Now when we do it private, then what? It can be only accessed within the class. It is not accessible outside the class. Means means if we have two or more classes in a program, and if we have defined anything public, then what? Then that public material or public functions variables can be accessed in class 2, class 3 also, in other classes also can be used. For better illustration, you can see a video uploaded regarding access modifiers. It's already there. It will make the point very clear, but let me do it again because uh, few students want to know this. So this is public, can be accessed from any class anywhere. But what about private? If we are defining anything like private word sum, then private members can be only accessed within the same class. I mean, it can be only accessed within the class one. It can be used within the class one only, means whatever the name of class is, maybe any name. At no cost, it can be accessed by any other class. You can't access this sum function in any other class at any cost because this is defined private. It can be only accessed in the same class. Another thing is protected. Protected, I'm just trying to explain things in simple terms. Protected means what? There is a very fine difference between protected and private members. Protected and private are similar and having only one difference, major difference. What is that? Now, if you're talking about inheritance also, there is a video uploaded. Please watch that. The point will become very clear to you. So, if you are making if you are making a child class or a class which is inheriting the base class, if suppose this class will be inherited by some other class, then what will happen? Private members are not inheritable. What's the point? Private members are not inheritable. They cannot be inherited. Private members, public can be inherited easily. They become public of the inherited class. I mean, in the new class, child class, it also become the public members. But private members of the base class are not inherited in the subclass or the child class. They are not inherited. But what about protected? Protected members are inherited. Protected members are inherited. But once they get inherited to the child class, they become the private member of the child class. And they act like a private member there. Whatever the properties of private function or data members are there, they act the same way there after getting inherited. Means If in a base class, if you have defined any function in protected mode, then while inheriting, the protected will be inherited to the child class, but it will become private member of that class. That means it cannot be further inherited. It cannot be further inherited in multi-level or hierarchical inheritance. You might have seen that one base class is inherited and one child class is there, then again child class can be also further inherited. But if this class contains the protected member, then when this is inheriting this class, then the protected member of this class becomes the member of this class, but private member of this class, and they act like a private member. And the private member cannot be further inherited. So if some class will inherit this particular class, then the private members, which was earlier the protected member of this base class, will not be inherited. It might be a little confusing to few of you, and this confusion can only be cleared if your concept of inheritance is clear. So first you clear the concept of inheritance, which is there, the video is there, and then this point will become very clear to you. So I hope your problem is clear. So thank you.